Lip fashion, the best looks for every occasion. I'm walking you through 2025's lip trends, using only free, high-quality photos from Pinterest and Pexels, so you can save money and still look on trend every day. Let's start with what lip fashion even means. Colors, textures, finishes, glossy tints, matte pigments, liners, balms. This year, edible-inspired shades are the moment. Jammy, plummy, rich fall tones, cozy but luxe. Everyday casual? I reach for jam lips. Picture that perfect in-between shade, berry meets brown. Like a spoonful of raspberry jam over warm toast. It's deeper than a tint, softer than a full berry. It loves a semi-gloss finish. Celebs made it viral, but it's popular because it's wearable. Tap it on, blur the edges, add a touch of gloss, done. Work or professional settings, warm browns, soft rose. These shades play nice with natural skin and minimal concealer. I line softly, fill with a muted brown rose. Press lips with tissue for a lived-in polished look. Quiet confidence, no shouting, just chic. Evening and formal moments demand drama. Vampy wine, dark matte, plummy. Define with a plum liner. Fill with a satin plum. Tap a deeper wine just in the center. Gloss it for impact. Or mattify with a tissue and a whisper of translucent powder. Curious which shade outshines classic red at night? A rich, vampy wine often wins. It photographs like velvet. Spring and summer? Jam and plummy lips still win. Just shear them out. I dot on color. Blend with fingertips. Add a clear gloss for that juicy, just-bitten finish. Think picnic sun and a blurred stain that looks effortless up close. Fall, winter brings the icons. Brownish red, ruby red, dark matte lips. I love a brick red brown with a soft liner for daytime, then switch to a true ruby at night. If you want editorial, go full matte and keep skin real. Less concealer, more skin. It's balanced and modern. Now, about the visuals, every photo you're seeing can be sourced free. On Pinterest, I search jam lips, plummy lips, fall lipstick 2025, natural lip makeup. I use boards to compare finishes and pin looks I can actually recreate. On Pexels, I type lip makeup, berry lips, matte lipstick, glossy lips, then filter for high-resolution close-ups. Pro tip, build a mini mood board for each occasion. Casual jam, office warm brown, evening wine, seasonal ruby. So getting ready is a 2-minute scroll, not a 20-minute hunt. Curiosity check. Which micro tweak changes everything? Liner tone. A taupe rose liner under any shade adds structure without harshness. Also, gloss placement, center only, makes lips look fuller without the stick everywhere.